With all my gears packed and ready to go, I woke up to a cloudy morning and my heart sank. The weather seemed to be playing spoilsport with me. Still, I started on a journey to get some good shots, thinking no weather is going to deter me in getting good shots of some colorful birds. I waited at a small waterfall, thinking I might get a chance to photograph a bird, but that was not to be. As I drove up to the birding spot, to my surprise, the weather opened up and I got a window. And as soon as the sun was out, I could hear the birds chirping and going about their business, hopping from one tree to the other, some waiting patiently to catch their first meal. Well, my luck played out and I got to get some decent shots of these wonderful birds. I was so mesmerized by these birds that I lost count of the hours that ticked by, and slowly the golden hour approached and it was time to say goodbye to these lovely birds. I hope you enjoyed seeing these birds as much as I did. It's goodbye from me now. Until the next video coming soon.